Now we are going to learn about geometric shapes. Cube. It has 6 equal faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The angle between two adjacent faces is 90 degrees. Sphere. No faces, no sides or vertices. All points are located at the same distance from the center. Rectangular prism. 6 rectangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 rectangular faces, opposite faces are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The angle between two adjacent faces is 90 degrees. Cylinder. 2 circular faces are congruent and parallel. Faces connected by a curved surface. Pyramid. 1 polygonal base, 3 or more triangular faces connected to make an apex. One, 2, 3, 4. Name according to shape of base. Regular tetrahedron. Triangular prism with 4 triangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triangles are congruent and equilateral. Cone. A circular base with a curved surface connecting the base to the apex. Triangular prism. 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 9 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 faces are triangular, congruent and parallel. Hemisphere. A 3-dimensional shape that is half a sphere. No parallel faces or edges, no perpendicular faces.